Yeah, so as you already know, I've been in this business for 15 years and I've worked with some of the biggest names in the world, like Ford Motors, KLM, Royal Columbian Hospital, and Electronics Arts. And my advice to new professionals is that try to work with big institutions, with well-known institutions, because many of these institutions are on the cutting edge of technological advancement. If you're working with the smaller players, small-time players in the industry, they're probably still developing SOPs. So they're not really mature in the way they're doing business, and there is not a lot of opportunities for you to learn from your experience. And one of the things that I always say is that it doesn't matter how many years of experience you have, because you may have been copying paper for the past 30 years in a consulting firm. What really matters is what you learned. Did you learn anything from your experience? Did you stop making the same mistakes? And did you deliver value to your customers? Did you mentor anyone at work? So it's much more complex than just saying, oh, I have 30 years of experience. Well, you have to always think logically. Now, I know it's easier said than done, and you're probably asking yourself, well, what does that mean? Well, it really means that when you see new shiny technology out there in the market, or when you talk to an account executive or account manager in Sony, for example, well, don't just take their word for it. Do your own research. Understand that these people, the sales executives in manufacturing companies, they have a vested interest in selling you a product. But as a consultant, you should be impartial, and your core focus should be improving the condition of your client. So you really need to ask yourself, what is value to my client? Just upgrading systems, and one of the great examples I like to use is boardrooms, audiovisual systems. Is it still working?